In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add icons in Framer. The whole process is quite straightforward and fun once you get a hang of it. Are you ready to dive in with me to learn this process? Let's get started. Our first destination is the digital platform, Flaticon. It is an extensive online repository of fantastic icons. Once you've navigated to Flaticon, the next thing you want to do is find the Icons section. It's usually visible from the main page, so don't worry, it's effortless to locate. Once you find the Icons button, please give it a click. Now, this may take a while, but take your time to explore and find a design that fills your heart with joy. The design of the icon is entirely up to you. It would be best to select an icon that complements your Framer project. After you stumble upon the ideal design, go ahead and click on it. When you've clicked on the icon, a new menu will appear. From this menu, select Copy PNG. This action will save a copy of the icon in PNG format, which is useful as it maintains the transparency of the icon. So don't hesitate, click on Copy PNG. Alright, now that you've done that, it's time to go back to Framer. It is where the fun begins. After you've maneuvered your way back to your Framer project, look for the Paste option. It might be located within a menu or a right-click context menu, depending upon the version of Framer you're using. Either way, once you find the Paste function, click it. Upon clicking Paste, your chosen icon from Flaticon will appear in your Framer project. You might see it appear once or twice, depending on how many times you click the Paste button. Now your icon is officially in your Framer project. But we're not quite done yet. You get to have more fun by adjusting your newly pasted icon. This step involves adjusting your icon size to make it the perfect fit for your project. Remember, the key is to ensure it complements your design and doesn't overpower other elements. Finally, it's time to explore your project with the new icon embedded. See how it alters the visual appeal or contributes to overall user interaction. And just like that, you have successfully added an icon in Framer. Isn't it amazing what you've achieved with a few simple steps? Practice this for more icons, and soon you will be a pro at incorporating icons into your Framer projects. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I can't wait to see the creative ways in which you use icons in your design. Until next time, happy designing.